Hey guys, it's me, Sunny. It is extremely hot outside today, so I thought, why not have a little wet fun and play with my DeWALT cordless pressure washer. Woo! This pressure washer is amazing because it's compatible with all sizes of DeWALT batteries. If you know me, you know I love my cordless toys. It also includes a soap bottle for squirting your soap on. It has a quick releasing attachment for a garden hose, or has a suction hose. So if you are nowhere near pressurized water, you can use your 5-gallon bucket or any body of water to do all of your squirting. So let's put this together and go do some wash. Before we get started, I want to show you how this suction hose works. It's very simple. You drop one end into your 5-gallon bucket or body of water. Take the other end and you're just gonna stick it right in, like this. Nice and tight. Next, spray away. Now onto the fun part. Let's wash my Jeep. I'm gonna wet it down and then we'll get soapy. Now that she's all wet, we're ready to suds her up. So I've attached my soap bottle here and we're ready to go. I love that I can wash my Jeep without the top on. Well, now all we have left to do is dry her up. Thank you guys so much for playing with my pressure washer with me today. If you have any secret tricks or things you use your pressure washer for, I would love to hear them in the comments. If you have any DeWALT tool requests, if you have any questions, or you just want to see more content, hit me up in the DMs, and until then, happy washing.